Then, this portal appeared. But the challenge to win the first key was a race designed by Halliday that was so hard no one had ever finished it. The only ones still trying are the Gunters, as in egg hunters, like me and Sho and Daito and my best friend H. Oh, and of course, the Sixers. The Sixers work for Iowa, Innovative Online Industries. They're the second largest company in the world, with designs on becoming the first. Which is why they're putting everything they got into winning Halliday's contest.
Buckle up! Set! Air!
We call them Sixers because that's the company rule. No name, just numbers. They have a support team made up of Halliday scholars. Like me, they spend all their time studying pop culture that Halliday was obsessed with, trying to find clues to solve the contest. They're just following the orders of the head of IOI, this dickweed named Nolan Sorrento. How'd you get here before me?
Well, I didn't make a pit stop at the hair salon. What up, Z?
What's up, H?
Saved you a spot.
Thanks, bro. I gotta go to the back.
Yeah, so you can skim coins from crashed cars? That's just sad, man.
Fuel's low.
Oh, but you still had enough to pay for that something about Mary hairdo.
First to the key.
First to the egg.
H, are you seeing this?
Yeah, I see it. That's Kaneda's bike from Akira. It's a licensed skin over standard frame.
No, not the bike. Forget the bike. The girl. I think it's Artemis.
The Artemis? The Sixer Fixer?
I've seen all her walkthroughs, her Twitch streams. It's her. It's definitely her. Balls. She's not gonna make it.